What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 just by tapping your smartphone screen. Now, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 tapping on your smartphone screen. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, please check my description below. I have some free giveaways for you guys. But you got to be subscribed to this channel to get these free giveaways. So once you subscribe to this channel, just go to the description below and click on the link where it says free giveaways, and you're going to get 3 free gifts. Also, if you're struggling getting views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, click on that link down there in the description below. And lastly, if you want to get some money right now, just click on the link where it says sign up right now and get money today. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to tell you guys about. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $3 tapping on your smartphone right now. So let's grind and let's get it.
All right. I'm at the App Store and I'm at this app called Surveys on the Go. Now, I know I've talked about survey apps in the past, but this app is a little bit different. So let me go ahead and tell you more about this app. All right, it says here, Fortune 500 companies, the entertainment industry, and other companies around the country need your opinions, and we'll pay you for them. Surveys on the Go is unlike any other survey applications on the market today because it pays cash, not points. So that's the difference right there. They pay cash and not points. Most survey apps pay points. Once you get enough points, you can get cash. So this also says here, you'll earn real money for surveys you can take quickly. And that's another thing. The surveys are quick surveys, not long 20, 30, 40-minute surveys. All right, let me read some more of this. Allow notifications when you sign up, and you're invited. And we invite you to take paid surveys whenever they are available, usually a few per month. Surveys are only available in the United States. Now, I know that's the con of this app because it only pays to people that's in the United States. And sometimes it's only a few a month that they'll send you to take, that'll be available for you to take surveys for. But from my research, they do send more than just a few a month. All right, it also says here, using this app, you'll be able to rate TV shows, movies, music, and advertisement, evaluate products, services, and shopping experiences, and offer your opinion on current events, all while taking just a few minutes and getting paid. Surveys on the Go values and ensures your privacy. We'll never forward, sell, or transfer your personal information. It's safe and protected, guaranteed. Set location services to receive high dollar surveys based on where you shop and where you visit. So you want to go ahead and select that location services so you can get high paying surveys. All right, let's just look at the rating here. So the rating is 4.6. That's pretty good. And let's look at some reviews. So right here it says, I travel a lot with my husband on business, so we are driving on the road a lot. I love it when I get a survey notification. I don't always qualify, and some of them are just 50 cents, but that adds up over time. I had been invited to a few $40 and $50 surveys, but I didn't qualify. So they do have some ones that are high dollar surveys, like the $40 and $50, but you have to qualify. But it's not that hard to qualify for this. So let's look at another one right quick. Wish there were more. I downloaded this app about 2 weeks ago, and at first it was awesome. Got like 3 surveys in one day. They gave 2 higher paying surveys in the first week. I made about $7 in the first week and a half, but now I haven't got any more in the last 4 days. So that is the downside sometimes. But when you get those surveys, those high paying surveys, you can go ahead and take them real quick and make that quick money. All right. That's all I'm going to have for this app right here. So if you're interested, you can download it at Apple Store. It's Surveys on the Go, and it's also available on Android.
All right, now you know the app you can download right now that will allow you to earn $3 just by tapping your smartphone screen. Now go ahead and download that app, start taking those surveys, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus that I want to give to you guys is, if you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down in this video and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 420, so I only have 80 more to go. So all I need is 80 more subscribers and we're going to be at that 500 mark. Because what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button and leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, again, smash that like button and let's get 25 or more likes, because the more likes I get, the more people on YouTube will see this video. And you know what that means? More potential subscribers, so we can get to that 500 subscriber mark. And please leave that comment down below, because that also helps this video to be seen on YouTube by more people. Share this everywhere on the internet, on every social media platform and everywhere on the internet. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. Keep supporting. You know who you are. You guys out there that watch every video I put out, keep doing it and keep sharing it with your friends and family and all over the internet. And also, you new guys, hit that subscribe button, and I promise you, you will be rewarded for hitting that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be dropping content after content after content about making money online, and you will be rewarded for checking me out. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
Grind TV.